Here in the video, we will share the details for the Whiteout Survival Error Code 1124. The error reads, "Could not connect with social aid." Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar, and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. As per our research, the error comes when users try to link their game account with Google, Google Play Games, or Facebook. According to our research, the error is likely happening because of a problem linking the guest account to a social ID. It may also be happening if there is a glitch or conflict with the login method being used. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to make sure you have created a login for your Whiteout Survival account using Gmail, Facebook, Apple, or Android. Once you have created it, try linking your game account to the same login and check for the error again. If the error still comes, then we suggest you should reach out to the game support. Recently, we have seen many users online sharing the same issue, but contacting customer support helped them fix it. So we suggest you should do the same. Also, customer support may ask for many details related to your account, so we suggest you provide all the required information and be a little patient. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.